Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Friday, May 29. Time check is 12:43 p.m. and recognition ng eldest daughter ko ngayon kasi meron siyang honor, ano siya, bronze honor. So, plus points na yan sa amin basta honor. Basta lang makapasa sa class and mag-continue sa next level. So, ayun, proud parents kami ng husband ko kasi naka-honor award siya. And aalis na kami ngayon kasi 1:30 mag-start yung program. So, meron kaming mga almost like 1 hour, less than 1 hour to biyahe over there sa school para makapark ng maayos. So, see you guys doon sa school, and then we will go to the SNR to buy something and go to SM to buy something. And mag-pizza party lang kami to celebrate Mika's milestone as grade 11 na honor siya. So, see you guys later there sa school!
Being adopting a winner mindset. I think the first step to every endeavor I had was repeatedly manifesting this specific mantra. And that was, I'm going to be the best. Now, to some of you, that might sound a little over.
Micaela Las Cunha. Matthew Mijares. Rodson Chris Perez. Matthew Mijares. Rodson
So, hello guys. We just arrived home. Kakarating lang talaga namin sa house. Ayan, nakapark na kami. Nasa garahe na kami. And, galing kami ng, sinabi ko kanina, pumunta kami ng SNR. Pero hindi na kami natuloy ng SM. Sa SNR na lang kami nagtagal, nag-snacks. Tapos, may binili sa loob ng groceries ng SNR. And then, uwi na. Nag-order pa kami ng pizza for dinner. Merienda SNR, dinner SNR. So, ayan. So, hindi masyado ako nakakuha ng video kasi nag-start na yung program pagdating ko, na late ako pagpasok kasi lumipat pa ako ng parking. Maliit lang kasi ang parking space sa loob, hindi kasya lahat ng sasakyan na nagsidatingan. So kaya nagparking ako sa gilid ng church sa labas. Buti na lang may konting space pa sa loob. Pinalipat ako ng isang guard. Shout out sa iyo, guard, kung nakikita mo tong aking video. So ayan yung SNR. Ito yung aking honor girl, bronze honor, aking daughter. Yan. Be happy pa rin dahil honor ka. Plus na lang yan siya. Bonus na lang yan na honor ka. Okay? So, be good sa grade 12. So, bihis na kami. And then, kakain na kami. Hi guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching my vlog. Subscribe, comment, and like, guys.